Nike Pegasus Premium Cool Gray is gaining attention as Nike once again blurs the line between its main line and the iconic Jordan brand. With innovation teams from Converse, Nike, and Jordan now officially collaborating, cross-inspiration is becoming more common, and this colorway is a perfect example. The shoe borrows familiar hues from classics like the Air Jordan 12, Air Jordan 3, and even the Air Jordan 4, blending dominant gray tones with subtle orange accents for a look that instantly resonates with longtime sneaker fans. What makes this release even more exciting is how the beloved Jumpman palette evolves into a modern running model packed with futuristic performance tech. While part of a general release lineup, the Pegasus Premium stands out through its clean aesthetic and Jordan-influenced styling. Although Nike hasn't announced an official release date yet, sneaker watchers can expect the cool gray pair to hit Nike.com and select retailers soon, with an anticipated retail price of around $220.